Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. There are three pens belonging to three students. The pens were put into a box and each student pulls out a pen one after the other. What is the probability that each student gets his own or her own pen? Now let us consider that let A, B, C are respective pens of A, B, C students. So let's try to find the sample space. Sample space. So there is one probability, that is one outcome, that all of them get correct pen. So A gets A's pen, B gets B's pen, and C gets C's pen. Now the next probability is that A gets his pen, but these two don't get their own. Next probability is B gets his pen, but these two don't get their own. Then there is C gets his pen and these two don't get their own. Now there are two more possibilities that none of them get their own pen. A, B, C and A, B, C. So there are total 6 outcomes, out of which only one is favorable. One favorable. And we know probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So in this case we have 1 divided by 6. This is the answer.